Kuha tayo ng brown rice. Food allergies. Hot with picanha sauce. Try natin ito. Parang ayaw ko. Ano naman ito? Fried cod. Brown with pepper. Parang wala akong gusto. Sushi. Pas ako dito. Ako sa kabila. Ayan. Dito tayo sa Asian food. Asian vegetable. Beef and broccoli. Try natin to. Gusto ko lang yung broccoli actually. Ayan. Try natin itong beans. Kunti-kunti lang. Firecracker pork. Oh, I don't like pork. Let's get fried rice. Chicken with kasoy. Kunti lang para matikman lang kung okay. Mexican food naman dito. Nakuha natin ng Mexican food. Chicken. I want the corn. Pas na muna dito at puno ng ating pinggan. Ayan. Poultry, chicken. And mga protein tayo ngayon, no? What is that? Prime rib? Is that prime rib?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. And then here.
No, I want to put it in the grill. Can you put it in the grill? It's wet, man. Ano ito? What is that? Is that pork? Ah, okay. Ah, that's his. Looks good. Ayan, mag-nachos tayo, guys. Anyway, meron akong soup dito. Tomato soup. Ayan muna natin. Masarap yung tomato sauce at soup, han. Tomato sauce, soup. Sauce naman ako ng sauce. You wanna try? Nachos.
Sabi ko, warm water. Sabi ko, warm water with lemon.
Why don't you just order tea? They will bring you hot water.
Oh, I said warm water with tea. Or hot water with tea, not cold.
Oh, say ice water. They wanna
No, not ice. Yeah.
Hello, hello. This is Leia. Leia Adventure Vlog. And ayan, nagmukbang tayo ng steak. Kanina kumuha ako ng steak. Ngayon, ito na yun. Diba? Makagkain ang gustong matikain dyan. Kain na. Ito muna, mashed potato. Sarap. And then, steak tayo. Pinapgat talaga yung kutsilyo. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan, steak. Malambot. Magtutuan tayo muna ng green tea. What did you get? Ano yan, ha? Hindi mo pinaluto yung steak mo? Ilaw? Steak with mashed potato.